Hey everyone, it's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy. Welcome to my rental shop. You're thinking about starting a photo booth business? I gotcha. I'm the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy. I have 2 photo booth businesses, a bartending business, and a small rental company that started from the garage of my house. I've been slowly growing, and if you see from the start of my videos, you'll see my progress. And I did it all DIY. Kinda. So hopefully by the end of this, I can change your photo booth business trajectory forever. I know what you're asking. How do the photo booths work? This is how they work. Okay, so this is a Windows computer. You see it's on and it's booting up, so we'll just give it a few minutes. So inside this booth, you see we just have a Canon 40D connected. That's all we need in this one. An older camera, but you can buy that cheap. Now all we have to do is click, and it's gonna take 3 photos, and then we're gonna see our final product. Okay, so it's taken the 4 photos. Now all we have to do is SMS them to ourselves, and let's take a peek. And cool story, bro. But what's the program on the photo booth? DSLRbooth.com/downloads. This is the Windows download. Let's go into it. Booth. Okay, so here's the photo booth setup in its rawest form before it hits the box. So push. And then you see me here with my camera. Flash in there. Cool story, bro. But what are the components inside the box of the photo booth? A touch screen, a computer, a camera, a monolight strobe, and a USB keyboard.
Let's see that in an instant replay.
As you can see in the back here, it's just a camera and a Surface Pro and a light. Like, that's it. So if you followed my videos, I kind of show you how you can create a budget photo booth using used materials. So buying used DSLR cameras, putting computers and touchscreens in them. And then I also go further into these photo booths here, that have Surface Pros and digital cameras in them. They work on the same thing, but they're smaller, and these ones mail out. Okay, check out how easily I threw one of these together before we started CNCing them. Very simple little setup here. I've got a video laying out kind of how I slapped everything together. Today I'm going to show you how you can take an old camera like this. This is a Canon T2i that I bought for 150 bucks off Facebook Marketplace. And then this is a Surface Pro tablet that I bought for $185 used. And I can turn these into a photo booth that will generate $500 to $1,200 per weekend. So that was back when we used to do everything the hard way. We now CNC them on a CNC machine. We actually sell the CNC photo booth boxes for you to put components inside. So people are often overthinking what's really inside a photo booth. As you can see in the back here, it's just a camera and a Surface Pro and a light. Like, that's it. And these photo booths that we've built, they're easily repairable. They come together quickly. They ship to you flat. All you have to do is basically screw them together. And here, I'll just take this photo booth apart very quick, just so you see how easy this truly is. If you want to know more about the photo booth, that video is available if you just click up here, and it takes you to our Boother Tools channel. Right, Pretty Rental Dog? And you can literally pull this shelf out. So if you need to, do any iterations for anything, just unplug everything from the back of the power bar here, and the shelves come out. Camera is out. And there we go. The casing is empty. Very simple casing, and we could put, so say we need to make a repair to the photo booth, we just pull out the shelves like that. Oh, there's a broken touchscreen. Charge the client for the broken touchscreen. Buy a new Surface Pro. This is a Surface Pro 3 in here because these are cheap, and they do the job definitely good enough. And then the shelves just slide in, right? So if you buy the package from us, it comes with, the wood that you can put together, and then it all slides together. It comes with the cutout pieces for any model of Surface Pro. So and then you can put them inside a Pelican case or Princess Auto or Tractor Supply, and you can ship them through the mail. And that brings me to my next point. Me and Les, we've got big news to tell you. We ship photo booths through the mail. We've been doing this for a long time. We figured out the mechanics of it, and we're sharing it all with you. So if you want to learn about that, click into this video right here. Thanks for watching, guys. You know what to do. And as always, you stay classy.